Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial. Today we are going to learn about the Ono.js basic routing, that is get, post, put, delete and more. Introduction to the routing. Routing refers to determining how application respond to the client request to a particular endpoint. Means whenever we open a browser and hit API or call API, so how the client request to a particular endpoint. Always it hit a endpoint, right? So what the response the API returns and what the client requests for that particular endpoint. So what we are going to learn all HTTP methods, route parameters, query strings, request and the response handling, building a CRUD API. So HTTP methods, that is get, post, put, delete and the patch. Get, retrieve all the data. Post for create a new resource. Put for update entire resource. Delete for deleting the resource. Patch for partial update. If we go with the get method to retrieve the data, so this is the code for that one. So just I'm gonna copy the get method, which is this one, and here we go with this. I think yes, let's copy this one and let's control Z. Okay, so here I'm going to create a one endpoint, that is the get endpoint, and just word wrap this. So and format this also. So API slash status, and this is the JSON that we return, that is status online and the timestamp. If I save this and we have any running anywhere, yes. So here we have slash API slash status. Okay, so here we have the raw data JSON pretty print. So this is the get API, right? Moving to the next one, that is the get with the resource parameter, like the query parameters. Okay, so multiple parameters that we can add. So here we have this one, app dot get with this, that and this. Okay, if I just copy and paste it over there, let's take a look with this one. Why there is a error? Okay, multiple. So here we go with this one. Just remove this and return this and const this. Okay, so here we have the get user by id. So if I just pass, because we have a query parameters, so these are the query parameters when the user slash id. So use when we have a posts, right, with id and the comments, then comments id. Okay, so let's take a look, right, and here this is the url. So let's hit this one. So here you can see that raw data prettier. So user with ID 123, whatever ID you will pass over here, it will print like this. Okay. So just go with raw data, pretty print, and this one. Okay. So this is one part. Next we have the multiple. So post with ID, then comments, then it's ID. So multiple, we have the dynamic values and dynamic IDs. So you can do that one. Okay. Next we have the search one. Okay, get with query parameters, that is search. So here you can see that we have a limit, right? So just me copy this one and add it. Okay, so here we have the get parameters, constant, we need to make it like new line, const with new. Is it the page parse return c? Okay, but the page and the limit is not what it says. Argument type 1 is not assigned. Let me check. Save this. Is there any error? No. Let's moving to this endpoint. So this is the endpoint. We have the users, then the page, then the limit, and the search. Okay. So the get query with the query parameters. So let's add this endpoint. And here you can see that raw data pretty much, or you can say with JSON and raw data. So here you can see the page number, the limit, search, that is John, and respective data is searched with, like, here you can see the search is on, right? And this is how you can just make the data, okay, according to it. So this is basically the get parameter. Now the post method, basically it's very quite simple. If I just copy and paste this one, here we go with this app.post, pass the JSON body, then we go with this. Okay, now I'm going to just add this and with this. Okay, but there is something that is missing. So here you can see that we have the post, right? So request that JSON. So we, because while creating a user register anything, we require some data, right? So validate and process the data. So this is the data that we are going to insert, right? And after that, new user, and then the record is created. 201 means status that is created for created one. Okay, if I save and just open the browser with this endpoint or the curl, you can see just hitting this curl, you will get the things. Otherwise you can just go with this users, open the postman. It's opening now. Okay, so let's move to the next one. And here I'm going to this make a request post, and here we have some parameters like this one. Okay, so just add it for the body, and let's take a raw and it's to be a JSON and just paste it. You will get the record, okay, like this. So this is the, I see status 2001 created, so it's a created one, right? Post with form data like the upload. Okay, so in the later series, like later on, you will get that how, like, somehow we have to upload the PDFs images. In that case we are using the form data. So this is the form data that we have to use, right? Then the post with validation, so like the email is required or this is required, okay, throwing the errors. Okay, next we have the put method to update the entire resource. So let's take a review of the, I think we have the full-fledged code, this one, but let's leave it. Okay, so let's go with the this is our put request, basic put request of this one. So if you want to update a records, then you have to make a response, and make sure in the put request always we need the ID on the behalf, like on which ID you want to update a record. So that's the put request. Okay, so here we have the put request. Right, so you have to choose this one, and here you have to just pass the ID, and this record I want to update, so it will update that record. You have to write the logic for this. Okay, the next one, that is delete, the simple one, app.delete, and you have to pass the ID, and you have to fetch the data, and you have to delete the database, delete that record from the database, right? And this is patch method for particularly patching means partial data if you want to update. Okay, so in that case we have to use, right? So this is how the basic get post method for the routing. Any doubt, any query, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.